Jake's first time hearing a guitar. Gotta figure out if he likes blues or country or what. Smooth seas never made a skilled sailor. It's my new poster on my poster fireplace. Wanna go to the job site, Jake? First moment, Stacy and Jake. He likes you, man.
Oh my gosh, he is so sweet.
No.
Perfect, Jess.
Jake, come on. He doesn't want to get his feet dirty. He knows etiquette.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, never mind. Yeah. Jake, I thought you were
What you doing there?
vlogging.
Selfie?
Want to be in my vlog? Why not? All right, Jake. I want to talk to you today about hiring out the small things in life, the low-hanging fruit, and focusing on growth versus maintenance. So what I mean by that is hiring out the simple things in life, the low-hanging fruit like changing your oil, mowing the lawn, most importantly, cooking food. Yes, you too. I wanted you to meet my friend Chris, man, but he wasn't there today. He's like my boy. Every time I walk in there, he's like, Jesse. I'm like, Chris, what's up, man? And he was on the vlog one time before. I think most people focus on penny pinching. I'll mow the lawn myself. I'll change my oil, cook, grocery shop, all the stuff that's the maintenance. I think people need to focus more on the growth versus the maintenance. There's only so much that you can hire out when it comes to the higher hanging fruit, but focus on the macro, not the micro. Pulling up at the job site. Let's see how these guys are doing today.
What's up, Jesse?
How's it going? Final scheduled for tomorrow.
Love it.
Yep, it's coming together. We've had to paint these walls like 4.5 times. Just about home stretch here. Oh, and there were actually 2 tenant spaces. We had completed the tenant A Pilates studio. We finished that a month and a half ago or so, and now we're just wrapping up the other side. Anyway, okay, now time to go get a haircut.
What is?
This is a microphone.
Yeah, but why is it got the?
The fluff?
Is
It's
that
a wind
to keep
because
it for?
or
Oh,
else
yeah,
the
yeah.
wind will get to
Okay.
it. So I'm making this video about hiring out the low-hanging fruit in your life. You know what I mean? Like changing your oil, mowing the lawn. Do you grocery shop yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Do you mow your own lawn? You don't.
Mm-hmm.
You do? You do it all?
Mm-hmm. That's why.
That's why you're so tan.
Yeah, I'll do it all.
I do not mow a lawn because I don't have one.
You don't mow your concrete?
No.
What time do you guys close? Thanks for being in my little documentation of life.
Bye.
See you later. Appreciate it. Meal prep. All right, Jake, go potty. Out there though, not right here. I thought it was interesting that the hairdresser, that's all she does is cut hair and go home, and that's it. I think this idea of delegating out the low-hanging fruit isn't gonna be for every single person. Obviously, if going to the grocery store is your thing that you enjoy, then by all means, go to the grocery store. Meal prep on meal prep. Sit, paw, other paw, lay. Good boy. So I think if you're like running a business or growing something that you're passionate about or doing things that you love, I think not hiring someone to change your oil, do your lawn, cook your food, even do other things that are just maintaining your life, in my opinion, you're actually doing yourself a disservice. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this type of video where there was kind of like a little bit more of a purpose or a meaning behind it, but I was still able to kind of show you the behind the scenes a little bit on one of my projects. If you enjoyed this, let me know with a thumbs up or leave a dislike. Leave me a comment and let me know what's some of the low-hanging fruit that you could delegate easily in your own life. Thanks for watching. See ya. I need like an intro, I need an outro. Maybe I should just end these vlogs with just like